Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo E14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users face the frustrating issue of not being able to access the BIOS on their Lenovo E14. This can happen for various reasons, such as incorrect key presses during boot, a malfunctioning keyboard, or even software conflicts. If left unresolved, it can hinder your ability to configure vital settings or troubleshoot further issues with your laptop. To get started on the repair, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic prying tool. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the base panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently insert the plastic prying tool into the gap between the base panel and the laptop body. Slowly work your way around the edge to release the clips holding the panel in place. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips or the panel itself. With the bottom panel removed, you will now see the internal components of your Lenovo E14. The BIOS chip you need to check is usually located near the battery or the motherboard. Inspect it for any visible damage or loose connections. If you find any issues, you will need to carefully disconnect any cables around it and remove the faulty component. To do this, gently lift the component out of its socket, ensuring you do not damage any surrounding parts. When replacing it, make sure to align it correctly and apply even pressure to secure it in place. Before reassembling, double-check that all cables are reconnected and no tools are left inside the laptop. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the base panel by aligning it back onto the laptop and pressing down firmly until all clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, securing the panel tightly. Once everything is back together, power on your device and try accessing the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F1, F2, or delete. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly update your BIOS and ensure your keyboard is functioning correctly. If you experience any further problems, consider keeping your laptop clean and free from dust. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.